In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Shopify. Great product photos make a huge difference, and uploading them in the right place and order is quick once you know where to click. Let's walk through it together so you can confidently add images that look sharp and professional on your storefront. First, sign into your Shopify admin and head to the products section. This is the hub where all your items live. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar to find the exact product you want to update, but once you see it, open that product to view its details. Inside the product details page, scroll to the media section, and this is where all images and media for the product are managed. Click Add Media, then choose Upload Files. That will open a file picker from your computer. So now select the images you want to add. You can pick one or several at once. On most computers, you can hold Shift to select a range, or Control or Command to select multiple individual files. Shopify supports common formats like JPEG and PNG. For best results, choose clear, well-lit images with consistent backgrounds. High resolution is your friend, especially for zooming, but try to keep file sizes reasonable so pages load quickly. If you've named your files clearly, it'll also help keep things organized. After you confirm your selection, the images will begin uploading and appear as thumbnails in the media section. You may see a brief processing moment. That's normal. Once they finish uploading, they're ready to arrange. To control which image shoppers see first, drag and drop the thumbnails to reorder them. As the first image in the list becomes the main product image across your storefront and product page, so place your best, most representative photo first. Then follow with different angles, close-ups, or lifestyle shots. If you're on a touch device, a simple press and drag will do the trick. Take a moment to review the sequence to make sure it tells a clear visual story. When you're happy with the order, click Save. You'll typically find the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. Your changes aren't applied until you save, so don't skip this step. After saving, your new images and their order will be live on the product page. That's it. Go to Products, open a product, add media by uploading files, select your images, drag to reorder, and save. With these steps, your product pages will look polished and professional in no time.